Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I dip my corals in order to put them in my tank. So let's start off. First I have some coral dip. I have a Pyrex measuring cup. I have my container to do my dipping in. I have a rag. I have some, people call them turkey basters. I actually bought these at a pet store, so I have different sizes of them. And then I have a pair of planting tongs in case there's anything really hard. I can kind of grab it off of there. So my dip actually calls for 1 gallon of water for 5 to 10 milliliters, or 1 to 2 capfuls. A gallon of water is 16 cups of water, and I'm not going to do all that. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably do 4 cups, and I will do, let me say, about 1 capful of dip, and that's usually what I do. So let me get some water in here. Alright guys, so I got 4 cups of water in there. I'm going to shake up my dip really good here. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And then maybe shake it a little bit more. And then I'm going to add 1 capful of my dip. And then, as you can see, kind of brown. I'm going to take it, kind of shake it up. It'll clear up a little bit. And I was hoping that wouldn't happen. Alright, so back to where we were. I got my dip kind of mixed up. It's looking a little... Alright guys, I had to start this video over. Sorry, my camera, it keeps falling, and I'm going to have to figure out a different kind of stand or tripod or something, because this one is a POS. So I'm dipping corals. I have my dip right here. It actually calls for 1 gallon of water for every 1 to 2 capfuls. A gallon of water is 16 cups of water. Kind of seems like a lot of water to waste to me. So what I did was I added 4 cups of water to this container that you can see right here. Now it is a little bit darker than it should be, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more cups of water and see if that helps. So hang with me, let me add these 2 cups. Alright, I added 2 more cups, so that's a total of 6 cups to 1 capful of dip. It's starting to look a little bit better. It shouldn't be as dark as it was. You can still see it kind of has a yellow tint to it, which is good. It'll make sure it gets everything off of there. So it recommends that I leave this coral in here for 15 to 30 minutes. I gotta watch it. If it starts to really kind of shed, you know, it gets that clear stuff that comes off of it, I need to pull it out, things of that nature. So I'm gonna throw it in there. I'm gonna kind of rinse it, see how it goes, and go from there. So let me grab it and throw it in here. So this is my coral I got, and since I'm dipping it, I'm not too worried about the water from the store, as long as it doesn't overflow my little cup here, which doesn't look like it's going to. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the coral in there and kind of watch wash it. I might have to take some of that water out so I can stick my hand in there. So let me take a little bit of this out slowly. That should be good. Alright, so I got my hand in there. I'm just going to kind of take this turkey baster and gently just kind of take some of this coral dip and squeeze it around there. Try to get anything loose, anything hanging on there, get it to come off. The place I got this from is very, very, very reputable local fish store. I don't think it has anything on there, but better be safe than sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, just take this turkey baster, kind of go all over. I am so sorry, guys. I got this camera stand. It was cheap. I should have known. It sucks. It keeps falling over. Please forgive me. I'll try to edit it out if I can't. I'm sorry again. But let's continue. I'm just taking this turkey baster and I am squeezing any little critters that might be hanging on there. We're just going to squeeze, 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 squeeze. You really want to try to get around the frag itself, around the bottom, around the base, things like that. That's where the little critters and stuff like to hang out. So we'll get that area pretty good. And then we will let it sit in here for a while and maybe do it one more time. So I've got it all. I did all the way around it. It's in there. It's hanging out. It's chilling. We'll leave it in there. I'm going to try to get a shot of it for you guys. I don't know how well this is going to work out. But as you can see, he's hanging out. He's in the coral dip. We're dipping him today. We're going to throw him in the tank after this. No matter what you do, don't pour your coral dip in your tank. Very, very bad idea. Not good. And I'm pretty sure it actually recommends not to do that. So, please, please, don't do that. I got my beer. Let me take a drink of that. And I think for right now, it's a waiting game. So let me let it soak in here. I'm going to take a flashlight. The beer gave me the hiccup, sorry. I'm going to take a flashlight, look it over, and I'll show y'all what it looks like here in a little bit. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes. This dude is looking excellent. Let me see if I can try to get a close up for you. Dude is looking good. I've looked over him with this. This is my go-to light. I don't see any creepy crawlies, anything like that. Like I said, I got them from a reputable dealer. So I'm going to go ahead and throw them in my tank and show you what that looks like. Alright guys, so kind of hard to see, but I got them back in there. It'll open up over the next couple days and I'll show them to you, give you the update, see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed this one. Dip your corals, especially if you don't get them from a reputable dealer. Yeah, I mean, even reputable dealers, I dip them. But if you don't, always dip them, because I've found some crazy stuff on some corals that I do not want in my tank. So coral dip, I think I spent $6.99 on it. Well worth it. Always do it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, please leave a comment below. If you did, leave a comment below. Subscribe. I do have those DIY videos coming out. I don't know when. Hopefully shortly they will be coming out. The weather's been horrible around here. I'm trying to wait for a nice sunny day to do it. But I will get them out there, show them to y'all. And subscribe if you want to see them. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.